Hello everyone, presenter Ali here. The AEs are always for amazing. Each and every other day we are always trying to talk to different people in the Forex industry, and they come here with good news. They come here bearing different information. Na leo tumekuja kupatana na Wana Steve Otieno, who's actually a Forex trader, and the journey ambayo nimesikia for close to 6 years. I mean, imekuwa nzuri sana. Na I want him to actually come here, share with us. Safari yake imekuwaje tuweze kujua. How is it going? How are you doing?
Hello, sir.
Kwa salama?
Yes, sir.
Hata mimi niko salama kabisa. Maybe you can introduce yourself.
Oh, wow. Thank you so much for this chance, Ali. I really appreciate you taking your time to meet with me. I really thank you.
Karibu sana.
All right. So my name is Steve. Sana sana mtandaoni utanipata kama Truly Steve.
Truly Steve.
Yes.
Okay.
But ya ID ni Otieno. Steve.
Ya ID ni Otieno.
Yes.
Yes. Nataka kujua, you are a Forex trader. This is your 6th year in Forex trading.
Yes.
Of course, I think kwa watu wengi ambao nime have conversation now, wamekuwa kichezea between 4 to 5 years. Now, wewe umeingia the 6th year, so it shows like you all have a little bit of experience.
True.
What was your first interaction with Forex like, and how did you come to know about Forex?
Wow. So how the world of Forex opened up to me was, you know, you've just cleared school and you're trying to figure out what next and what can I do with my smartphone to actually help me make money. So you go to Facebook. I went to Facebook, went to YouTube, trying to see ways of making money.
How to make money online.
Yeah. I mean, seems like you're in your journey ya kila mtu actually.
Yeah.
And I see drop shipping. You tried this thing.
It's too complicated. Yeah.
I work out. You see various things, and Forex trading was among them. So I remember I joined a WhatsApp group from a Facebook group.
Yes.
Where on the WhatsApp, you'd find the WhatsApp group was closed. So normally the
admins tu ndio wanaweza ongea.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I noticed pia ilikuwa the Nigerians.
Okay.
It was more of Nigerians. So the guy would open the group mausiku, anarusha classes, and then after that we discuss. I didn't understand this. I found this fascinating. So that was how I kind of started off, and from there it's been, let me just say, a self-taught journey.
Okay.
And I never really had someone to walk with me through the ropes, show me the ups and downs. It was just from the word go interest-based. Yeah, where I would find this interesting, and now I would go do homework on YouTube. Yeah, they call it the University of YouTube.
Yes.
I'll go to YouTube, learn more about that topic, and I deposited my, of course, you know, something I saw sana with us as Africans is we are normally looking at the bare minimum deposit.
Kama minimum ni 10%, I mean it's $10, unaweka hiyo $10.
Yeah, which is more of a scarcity mindset.
Yeah.
Anyway, we'll talk about that. So I started off with my $10. And I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just clicking sells and buys on different assets. I didn't even know that these assets are grouped. So today I'm trading US oil, and it's giving me chums. And then kidogo I'm down. So from $10 I'm down to 5. But I remember one time this $10 was up to 22. And then now it goes back to 5. So now I like, you know, the way you can see there is something here.
Yes.
Yeah. So you blow, you fund again, you blow your account, you fund again. Back and forth until one time I remember I'd blown back and forth, and I'm like, hold on, this is the 3rd week and I've funded this account like 10 times. So this is $100.
Yeah. And
I told myself I'm just going to save up this 10 up to $100, and I fund my $100 account, and thank you.
Yeah.
And I fund my $100 account, and we go forth from there. So that was the day that I just dropped the scarcity mindset of depositing the bare minimum 10 USD. And yeah, it's been an upward bullish journey. Okay,
let me get this straight. Starting out, that is what many people do. Do you think that the so-called scarcity mindset can ever turn around your life? Like, can you ever turn the $10 to $1,000 to $200, or is it really hard to do so?
It is so hard. It is so hard. Reason being, something people don't realize in our industry, it's Forex trading, it's a multi-trillion dollar
Economy.
industry.
Industry, yeah.
And you're putting your 10 USD to fight against the big banks who are trading billions. And for them, usually your capital is their, whenever you make a loss, is their profit.
Yes.
So if you put $10 and you've placed your stop loss at a certain point, this will try raid your stop loss, because this loss that you're making is their profit. So you see, it's like $10 versus 6.7 trillion. You see how difficult?
Yes.
Yeah. So it will be so difficult, because at the same time you've opened a trade and then you're trying to manage emotions. You're sweating, you are fearful. At some point you are in so much profit, you are greedy. You still don't know which asset favors you. Don't know if it is the stocks or commodities or currencies. You're trying to figure yourself out. Man, with 10 USD you will keep blowing, man.
Yeah.
Sorry to say.
It's okay. Now you've actually got to $100.
Yes.
How did that work out for you? Did you blow it, or you went with it mpaka leo?
No, wow. Yeah, I mean, I blew it, to be honest. So it gets to a point, you are now overconfident. You feel like you're the king. Eh?
Mi naweza.
Yeah, this is it, man. We found the holy grail. And now you are doing some crazy lots. You are now taking even bigger risks. You are now just not trading the major currencies. You are trying exotic. You are trying minor currencies. You are trying even other assets. And me just experimenting here and there, it came and beat me at some point.
Okay.
Yeah, so now I moved from the major currencies, which was my strength. Now I'm trying USD ZAR, MXN, I don't know, Danish krona. And that was it. That was it. Like, I blew it.
You blew it.
Yeah, so now I'm back again to doing jobs here and there, trying to fund my account again.
Yes.
Yeah. So now I did not get the $100 like throughout. I mean, it wasn't like that my first funding $100 throughout the journey till today. I messed it up, but all through there were lessons I was learning. There was skills I was refining all through the journey that enabled me to even make better decisions.
Yes.
When I would fund another one, I would come out as a better person, as a better trader.
Yes.
Yes.
And looking at how many times you've actually blown your account, do you have a number?
They're countless, man.
For real?
I mean, I've opened, how can I say this? There's no broker that doesn't know me here in Kenya. Yeah, so I've opened every other account thinking it's the broker that's the problem. And I've funded every other account and I've blown every other account to a point, you know, the way they send you mails end month, this is your monthly statement.
No transactions.
Yeah.
0, 0, 0,
and then you just go and unsubscribe.
Yeah, that is crazy.
Yeah.
And this one brings me to the journey, understanding the journey, because not everyone will be ready to blow as many accounts while learning or being part, allowing that to be part of the process. How important do you think being part of the process is for a Forex trader?
It is very, very much key. I believe you being, they're like locking it in.
Yes.
Saying it's either this or this is what puts you, should I say, is what separates the rats from the mice? Yeah. So you really need to give your all.
Yes.
You need to be also present. Yeah. Whenever you are trading, just be in the moment. Just, you know, there's a book called Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. Yeah. Trade in the zone.
Yes.
Yes.
So for you, it was either this works or works.
Exactly.
Like there's no other thing.
Exactly.
Okay, interesting. And now, at what point did you get and you felt like, okay, it's not worked yet, but I think right now we are almost getting there. Yeah, or we are headed somewhere.
Wow.
And which year was it probably?
That was 2023.
That is 4 years after.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, so 4 years after, I started like joining the dots. You see, the other problem, like I mentioned from the start, is I never had someone to walk to work.
You never had like a personal mentor.
Yeah.
So the only people you are looking up to are like the people online and everything. Okay.
Yes. So in 2023, it's when it all clicked, because I met a very good, prominent person in the industry. His name is Mr. Robert. Big thanks to him. And what Robert did, you see, like how you can have information all over. Like you know what is this order block. You know what order block is, but you can't really identify it on the charts. So that was Mr. Robert. He was like, okay, so you know what OB is? This is now what order block. So it kind of now you are seeing it, and then now you know how to use it. You know how to use it to your favor. You know when to avoid the markets. He was just that guy who, like, it was like a light bulb moment when he really put it into clear perspective of, of what these terms are. They're just not terms. They are really here in the charts, and you can see it, and you can actually make money from it. That was around 2023, and I remember at the time I had started to see, should I say, a market gap in our industry in the copy trading space. And I'd done quite a good how do I put it, a good work in the industry, where we would try help people see forex trading from a perspective of it being more than just buying and selling of currencies, that they can actually make a career out of this. Yes.
And I also want to understand, like, now you've met this guy and you've been able to like put everything into perspective. It's like you right now have a mentor in a way. How did that turn out? How are like the profits looking like?
The screens are blue now. The profits are running good. I remember, around 2023 March there, I was taking a course in Strathmore Uni, and at the time I just moved out, and you know, like how you can decide to really do this thing. So I also decided to take a course in finance, and at the time I used to stay in Thika, so my journey from Thika to Strathmore
every day.
Yes,
crazy.
And my rent over there in Thika, how I was like sustaining myself, all this was from trading. All this
purely,
like you know, like you know how you can say, tomorrow I need this amount of money to
do 1, 2, 3.
Yes, and I remember at times I would be in class in the lecture room, and the lecture was there, and I would go to my MT5, see blues, and now concentration is from 0 to 100.
Yes.
Now I'm getting what you're saying, teacher.
Yes.
So that was it.
Before we talk about the platform that you eventually came up with, I want to understand, there is a lot of information that is out there in the Forex industry. And you will find that someone is so knowledgeable in the Forex industry, but they're not really making money when it comes down to the charts. How would you say is a good way to actually be able to filter this information? Because I've heard people, we've had different conversations, and they're telling me, look, Ali, I've watched thousands of YouTube videos. I've read 5, 6 books about Forex, and I have so much information. But when I sit down with the MT5, I cannot actually be able to make money. How do you filter all that information to be able to know that this is the right information that I can use for my strategy?
Okay, wow. So, number one, trading has a lot of similarities with entrepreneurship.
Yes.
And by this I mean there's so much of you going inwards.
Yes.
You having more conversations with yourself. You knowing yourself. You need to know you. And so okay, my mentor used to call it kujita mkutano. And you be very honest, and you're like, by there, I have an issue with greed. I have an issue with fear.
Yes.
I have an issue with overconfidence. And you need to be very blunt with yourself.
Blunt with yourself.
Yeah. Yes. And just tell myself that by there I am very greedy, and I need to look at how I'm going to tame this. And so with that, you're going now to narrow down to which how can I discipline myself?
Yes.
So that I can be a disciplined trader. There's actually a book by that name, The Disciplined Trader. How can I discipline myself and just focus on certain assets and not every other asset? So you need to, okay, it's more of trial and error. You need to try the major pairs, minor pairs, commodities, stocks, crypto, and then go down to, okay, so I've traded throughout the month, week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. I've traded these assets and there's this one that showed me flames, then this one, there's this one that has made me money. Can I focus on this that's actually making me money?
So you need to understand what works for you.
Yes, what works for you. And then also, you go and narrow down to, okay, because even if you narrow down to major currencies, you'll find there is quite a list. Can you bring it down to 2, 3, or 4? At most 5. Yes. So now when you have like 5 that's on your watch list, then that will really help you filter through, because now you're not just looking at every other news that's coming from Europe to Japan to France to, you've really narrowed down to, it's just pound, euro, and dollar. Anything that's happening in Japan, I don't care. Anything that's happening in Swiss franc, I don't care. You've just narrowed down to.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So now you've met the guy. He's actually, back to your story, of course.
Yeah.
He actually shown you, the way, and now everything is looking blue.
Yeah.
From there till today, have you ever had days that you've probably blown your account once or twice, or probably held like major drawdowns?
Yes.
And to add on that question, and is it normal to even get these drawdowns when you are already an experienced trader?
Very normal. All right. So you've taken me back, man. I remember it was during World Cup Championships.
Yes.
And I decided, let me try out stocks, specifically the Coca-Cola stock.
Okay.
Reason being, it was, of course, the one that was
Booming.
sponsoring. Yeah.
Okay, trending.
Yeah.
Yes.
And even it was sponsoring
the World Cup.
Yes. So you definitely know the stocks of this asset will
Go
appreciate.
up. Yes.
So I took my buy, and that was, so now I'm trying to back again to my, I'm someone who's very open to adventure.
Yes.
So I'm on oil, I'm on stocks, and so now on stocks it was blue. And then Russia, at the time, they were having their wars with Ukraine, and the oil prices were just were affected in a big way.
Yes.
So you find on this side I'm making plus, on this side it's really bad negatives on oil. So now there I'd really held a very massive drawdown, and it's because I'm having like 2 things that are contradicting. So this one is really telling me this one should be buying. This one is really telling me this one should be selling, even after I had a mentor. So still goes back to, you need to be just patient with yourself and try tame yourself. If it is commodities that's working, focus to stick on commodities. If it is stocks, stick on stocks. Yeah, that kind of thing. So yeah, I've had moments where I've actually blown my account even after Roba came through. He gave me that confidence, and I was overconfident, and I, instead of now sticking to a certain lot size, I started taking bigger risks. And yeah, it bites you.
Okay.
It bites you.
Before now, in a few, we're going to be talking about the platform that you guys have, and probably let me understand this.
Yeah.
You mentioned like taking bigger risks, and it is something that most traders actually do.
Yeah.
How important is understanding risk management to every trader?
Wow.
And being able to apply it, because sometimes you understand that I'm supposed to use 1 to 2% of what I have as a good risk manager, but sometimes the emotions, the psychology tells you, come on, today's a good day in the market. Yeah. How do you deal with all that?
Okay, good question. So I really like how you've put it. The word that you've used there, risk manager.
Yes.
Because that is what anyone who's into Forex trading, stock, crypto,
yes,
you are a risk manager. You are
yes.
not a Forex trader.
Yes.
So one thing I came to realize with this life, everything is all about taking risks. And even before you go full throttle, you need to take calculated risks.
Yes.
And you need to be very gentle and very straightforward with yourself and very open with yourself that, you know what, we are not going to live like YOLO. No, we are going to take calculated risks and we are going to, so you can use different parameters to like mitigate your risk. You can decide to focus on 1 to 2% of your account. You can decide to use stop losses. You can decide to use break even. But above all, even before you take a trade, and this is actually something I like about Forex trading. It gives you the power to say that, you know what, I'm going to take a long position or even a short position on this asset, and I'm ready and willing. Keyword, ready and willing.
Yes.
To lose $20.
Okay.
So that's a stop loss.
Yes, yes.
That's a stop loss. And reason that's why I say I love that about our industry. There is no other business out there that you can put up your wines and spirit and be. Today I'm looking to lose 2,000 bob or even 3,000 bob.
Yes.
You know, you'll open your biz and something happens and now you've even made a loss that you didn't even
perceive, or predict.
Yes. So that is something I really like about our industry. It has like those risk parameters to help you protect your capital. So that's another thing. Even as you are entering trades, you always have to be, there are times to be aggressive and there are times to be very defensive. So always protect your capital. Don't let the losses run into eating your whole capital and you end up blowing your account. Please put in, if you are looking to gain, now there's something called risk to reward. If you're looking to gain $80, you should be looking to lose $20. Not you're looking to lose 80 and you're looking,
okay.
Yeah, so you need to be very aware of those risk parameters that are there.
Yeah. So you guys have actually come up with a platform, which is a social trading platform that basically connects different Forex traders, right? And that is from beginners to intermediate and experts. Tell us, how did this all come about?
Wow. Right. So around last year, a lot actually went down last year. I met Sam. Samson, his popular name in the industry is Sam FX Kenya.
Okay.
So I met Sam and he shares with me about how he's got this amazing idea of stepping into the copy trading side, which is also called social trading side of our industry. And he says he's seen a very good market gap. And the whole concept is, actually, if you log into any website of any brokerage, they'll be telling you, know that trading carries a risk and you can lose, like from their databases, 90 to 95, other 75 to 80% of their clients lose their capital.
Okay.
So we saw, okay, now we need to reduce these numbers by having people who are competent on the copy trading platform, right? So we came up with the idea of Afro which Afro is basically a social trading platform where, you come as a novice who's looking to tap into my knowledge, Sam's knowledge, and even other guys we have on our platform, and make money out of our skills. So that's whole, how do I put it? That's like the whole model behind Afro
Okay.
So we actually, I would say we are the first copy trading platform in Kenya that's offering free mentorship.
Okay.
Yeah, and we are looking to also, if you are profitable, we are looking to take the clients on a
that is in the long run, if you become profitable. Okay.
We are looking to take the clients on a contractual basis, like we absorb them into Afro
Yes. That is very interesting. And maybe to get to understand more about the platform. You guys are not a broker.
No.
Because that is a question maybe someone can ask, like,
Yeah.
are you guys a broker? So you guys are just a platform that connects people who do not know how to trade to people who know how to trade. And that is also, and you're also offering training, free training to these guys who do not know how to trade.
Yeah, so ideally,
makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, the whole concept is we want people to actually look at our industry as an investment option.
Option. Okay.
Yeah, because now we are having all these investments that are there, and guys are like, I have some idle money somewhere, and I'm not so sure if I want to trade on my own. Besides, if I decided to take classes and courses, it will take me way longer. So we are sorting out that issue where we will train you, we will help you with let me say that the whole idea is we want you to earn as you are learning.
Okay.
Yeah, so when we will be taking you through the mentorship program, we'll be actually going live analysis with you guys, and whenever we take a trade, we try to explain to you why we've taken this trade, the technical analysis of it, the fundamental analysis of it, why we are putting our stops here, our take profits here. Yes, just to also, investor education.
Yes.
Yeah, so that they can also have an understanding of what they are getting themselves into.
Okay.
Yes.
Now let me assume that I am interested in, your classes.
Yeah.
And eventually I'll end up, probably in the platform. How do I go about it from the word go?
All right. So we've come up with a very great website. From our website, you can be able to see how you can onboard. If you just go to afropips.com, you'll be able to get every other detail that you require on how to sign up for the classes. They're free, and from there you can even get our contact details if you need maybe further clarifications. But once you've signed up, we are able to see your details. We'll require your name and maybe phone number so that we can reach you out. We plan on how we can onboard you to our platform.
Okay. How is your clientele base looking like?
Okay, so just from the name Afro Pips, you can get that we are looking to go bigger than just Kenya. We are looking to cover the entire continent of Africa.
Yes.
Right. So we are having quite a number here in Kenya, also a little bit of Tanzania, Uganda, and Nigeria, and a bit of South Africa.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah.
Okay, that is interesting. And do you see yourself, or are you also part of the providers of the service in the website?
Yes. So what we've done with some, we've had our joint account where we both, we both take trades and do our analysis. Every day with him, we would have a Zoom or even a Google meeting, and we would analyze the markets, take trades, and it's like, it's like, that is the face of Afropips, our copy trading portfolio. Yeah, that's it. Our copy trading portfolio is our biggest sell out there. So we also trading. We also have our minds and skills put in there as well. Yeah.
That is very interesting. And how is looking at your portfolio, for example, how does it look like? What is the percentage of profit every month? You're looking at, or maybe per year, or how do you grade it?
Okay, so per month we are looking at something positive 75 to 70%.
Per month?
Not
or per year?
No. Like per month, 75 to 70% profitability rate.
Oh, okay. Not like the profit.
Yeah,
that is the profitability rate.
Yeah.
Okay. That is interesting.
So that is with the ups and downs of a month. We end up not really 100% because we're also trying to be easy on ourselves
and as genuine as possible.
Yeah. And also just to reduce the pressure.
Story of a client that that came in probably a month ago, 2 months, 3 months since last year, and they're making good profits.
Yeah, true. So if you actually go to afropips.com, you'll be able to find there's a segment for, how do I put it?
Testimonials?
Yeah, testimonials, feedbacks, where quite 3 or 4 so far have given us 4.5 to 5-star rating.
Okay.
Yeah.
That is good. That is good.
Yeah.
So the website is
afropeeps.com. Yeah, that is where our clients can get us, get to see what we are doing, get to interact with us, book a class, book a session with us. We are. You can also get our contact details over there. You can reach us via WhatsApp, call. We are very on. Like, you can reach us at any time.
Yeah. And how many days in a week do you do the classes?
That's Monday to Friday, just
Every day.
Yeah.
Depending on who's available, who
Yes,
wants
yes.
to come. Are they physical or online?
Mostly online, but even if a client wants physical class, we can still organize and be able to reach out to them and have a physical class.
Wow, that is inspiring. From being someone who actually started to learn about Forex trading 6 years ago to actually being able to own a platform that connects Forex traders. I think that is remarkable. And maybe before we end this conversation, I want to understand, what is the biggest trading advice you've ever gotten since you got into the field?
Biggest trading advice? Well, I have quite a number. But I'll go with, do not put money into a trading account that you are not ready and willing to lose. Kindly put in money into a trading account that if it went down the drain, you're good.
Okay.
Yeah.
That is interesting. All the way from Steve Otieno, who's an experienced 6 years Forex trader. And I'm going to put his links in the description and also pin them in the comment section. And as well, as you guys know, I'm also going to put the link to my recommended broker in the description. Feel free to join and also sign up and start your trading journey. My name is Presenter Ali, and I'll see you guys in the next video.